Advantages of scheduled maintenance. Know what to expect. Planning maintenance in advance allows you to properly allocate resources to the job, so that you have the time, personnel, and tools you need, when you need them. Manage your calendar. Some scheduled maintenance can be planned years in advance, like changing the tires on an industrial transport vehicle every winter. Other tasks require shorter lead times, such as swapping out air compressors after 100 hours of use. Planning maintenance in advance lets you look ahead in your calendar and see what's coming up. Get work done faster. Planned maintenance allows the maintenance team to focus on efficiency. Technicians can gather all the parts they need, review all best practices and procedures, and shut down the asset safely before starting work. Because all this work has been done beforehand, the actual maintenance can be finished quicker, easier, safer, and more effectively than if an asset goes down unexpectedly.